Features keep shipping, and the metrics keep going up. Nobody is reading the comments attached to the code. One line of code now carries up to 10 lines of AI-written explanation. Somebody wrote that the code stopped being something anyone reads. It started with one short rule. If you send me AI writing you never reviewed, I am not reading it. But the replies underneath were not about writing taste at all. The author is Rick Manelius. He has a doctorate in materials science and works as an executive at a startup. He opens by saying he is about as pro-AI as you can get. His new rule is 2 sentences. If you were not bothered enough to review and edit it, he is not bothered enough to read it. He lists exceptions too. Customer support, where you already expect an automated reply, is fine. But when a colleague drops a wall of model output into a chat thread, he says he received a different message than the sender intended. The replies piled up on code, not on writing. Every change that lands drags hundreds of lines of AI-written documentation with it. The contents were the problem too. Instead of describing the code that is there, it explains why the code that was just deleted is gone. Design comparisons nobody asked for show up as well. The fix reviewers landed on was refusal. Write that the comments are bad, stop right there, and send it back until it comes back fixed. One of them said, you have to become the bottleneck before the team will talk about it. The other side showed up too. Raise the problem, and you look like the bad guy, not the person who created it. So a lot of people said they just approve without reading. To refuse to read AI writing, you first have to spot it. That part is already falling apart. Models were trained on good writing. So good writing looks like AI. People say punctuation and phrasing they had used for years now reads as an AI tell, so they stopped using it. It misfires the other way too. One video creator got accused over a single phrase. Plenty of people have their own writing called a copy-paste job, so a different proposal came up. Send the prompt you used instead of the output. The prompt holds only what you were trying to say, and everything else is padded. The pushback is real. Writing and polishing things for other people is an old profession. So refusing to read something only because AI polished it is a weak standard. Meanwhile, companies have started drawing lines. One place made a policy that anything sent to a human is not written by AI, and somebody reported being fired for not being able to explain their own writing. Refusing to read it was never a rule against using AI. It was a rule against sending output you never reviewed. And that output is no longer piling up in chat threads. It is piling up in the code. That was today's DeepPulse. See you next Pulse.